Let's find out.
Prop herself up again.
I know you're about to bite me.
They're really stupid. They don't know how to catch in the car, and the person goes the.
Just gonna make it.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
The freaking. Why won't you adopt me?
Because you're black!
What do you want? That was a good one.
Special. You scared? You don't seem scared.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
Bro, stop! Why are you doing that?
I'm gluten-free. Get it out.
Don't do that.
Own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little.
Come on, no, Chase, move over.
No.
What can I get for you? Ma'am.
The freaking counters! Augustus!
Que yo vine fue a esto.
Muxie. Oh, ow. Happy birthday, though. I love you.
Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
You're not gonna react? Oh.
Excuse me? Mila! Mila!
Sana güzel bir mama alacağım Minoş. Şuraya.
Why you sit on? Ow! 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 Ow!
Percy!
Where's the catnip?
Okay.
What the fuck? Don't flip! The king.
Bear. Bear, no. Leo, no. Oh my god.
You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were. Are you stuck?
Sana güzel bir mama alacağım Mino şuraya.
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't bite his tail.